Good evening. Sims go walkabout. Only got one of us Sims here today. The other one's not feeling very well. I think I'm starting to get a cold as well. Anyway, we're on a walk down by the Taff Trail and drove. It's a break in the rain, but we really had a good morning really, because North Wales and Scotland, I feel for you, you've got floods. So let's go for a walk on the Taff Trail. This is kind of new. They've got a bit of a power plant with like, oh, I don't know, electric charging, like they look like screws. Kind of eludes me the name. I can hear the river going, there's loads. I like to swim in this river, but not usually when it rains. When it rains, they open the sewer gates and it gets a little bit risky then. People say, no, you're fine. But I had a boyfriend once who swam in rat's urine and he was ill for a couple of months, lost a lot of weight and muscle mass. I said to the doctor, I like that if that was me. He replied, if you were alive and wheelchaired. It's like, okay then, I wouldn't want that. I try not to talk all the way through, folks. I'm a bit of a yabba doozer. It's a beautiful walk. If you're ever in Cardiff in Wales, the Taff Trail goes all the way from Cardiff Bay to Brecon Beacons, 27 miles. A lot of people like to drive it. And we'll be having a new metro electric train soon. It's just round the corner and I usually go dipping in there. See a previous video. There she goes. Got a tree in the middle. Can't see any herons. This is new, these grey slate buildings, and they give power to some houses, and also there's a channel for the salmon to swim upriver, because I think it's November and I hope to be filming them. They jump upriver to go spawn and then go back out, and that's what they'll do every year. Guess there's something to be said for kind of your roots. Quite, I don't know, get it out your system. Here we are on a wet autumn day down by the Taff Trail. We are just going to the birdhouse. We had two wooden huts as birdhouse and nature reserve. Unfortunately, some louts burnt them down, so now they're steel containers. We'll see them in a moment and give the little birds and squirrels some food. You can hear them. Turbines. That's the word. I do find them fascinating. Look at that river flow. Woo! Whoa, there's the cock. Pushing away. There's two of them there is. One on the left and one on the right. On a sunny day, I love to be here, contemplating life. Evening. So the channel just by the left, by there, is where the salmon go up. But usually in November, you can see them go up in the middle where the tree is, well, all along there. Mr. Heron is very popular at that time of year, and there's Mr. Heron over there. Just about see him. Can we see you, Mr. Heron? just about. That's as big as my camera goes, folks. Henry the heron. Don't know whether we see a different heron, but I call him Henry. Hello, Henry! Whoa! And the tree has been there for some time now. Whoosha! And that's going down the path. Beautiful, isn't it? Absolutely fan-dabby-dozy. And this is it. The Rhadder Weir hydroelectric scheme. Amazing. They need to do more of this, especially with the ocean. I do think wave power, especially with the ocean, is a thing. Anyway, we're going to be going right the way where that runner is, all the way down. I think that's a good thing about living in the south, is our weather's not too bad. And even though it's an autumn bleakish day, it's supposed to be belting down with rain. Please don't do too much. I have to think about getting my phone wet soon. Anyway, guys, I hope I'm not that boring. And let's plod on. Just coming up to Rhadder train station and the river, still on the nice walk. It's relatively quiet. It is raining, but the trees that cover the path are keeping it just spitty down here. There you go. Start of the Rhadder train station. Pretty soon you'll see the bridge that goes on the left as you're walking down to Rhadder Bridge. Is an allotment. How lovely. It's really cool. Not quite sure how they get all this stuff into there, but I think you are allowed the car for a little while, I think. Not 100% positive. On the right you'll see the bridge coming up, and if you be quiet you can hear the train. And there's the bridge. If you carry on past Rhadder Bridge, you get to Harlequins on the left, and then you'll go through Hayley Park, Sophia Gardens and town in a quick answer to that. We are not. We're going left to Forest Farm Country Park. Not really sure I'd call it a major country path, but we're just going to the birdhouse, of which there are two. Might only do one, and that's where we're going. Woo! I'm not used to all this walk. And here we go down the deep dark side to get to the park. Oh, I was going to say 2, 3 little ducks. Why are the males always prettier than the females? 3 males covering 1 female. Oh no, here comes the others. Oh my god, there's loads. Wow. 7 males, 5 females. Look forward to your babies in the spring, I guess. Oh, sweet. The light's starting to fade. It looks a bit bleaker because it's raining, but I guess they'll be looking for a little bit of a feed before they go to sleep for the night. Oh, sweet, aren't they? Oh, you are so sweet. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Nearing the bird hive. You just have to go over this little bridge where you saw the little ducks, and then we'll be going to the right. When we come away from the bird hive, we're going left to the car, a different way back. Over just beyond is kind of a little industrial estate. We used to have BT down here. I think they're still here, and some other ones. And it's not far now, guys. So we're coming up to it, guys. You'll notice that this is the first bird hive. If you carry on through the gates, where are the gates? Oh, they're the gates. Carry on there about 5 minutes, and you have the second bird hive. But we're just going to go in the first one. The light's failing, the rain's growing, so we're just going to go in this one. It's coming up. The walk from the car to here is roughly, I'm thinking 15 minutes. You guys would have saw me slower, pause the video and not do it. Yeah? So here we go. I'm hoping that everyone's gone home. This can get quite the trap. So people love to come here with their cameras. It is really nice. And let's go see the bird hive. Yeah, so it's about a 15-minute walk. I'm a bit slower because I have a dodgy knee. So I'm trying to increase my mobility. So I'm a bit of a sugar fiend. So I have to stop that. And some medications weren't working, which made you pile on the weight. That would be thyroxine, people. So it's been a nice walk. Sorry if I sound out of breath. So much prefer to do these things on a bright, sunny day. I'm going to pause for now. Guys, I was wrong. That is not the bird hive yet. That is still another path that I was unaware of. Back to the path. Oh, it looks like it's so dark, getting so dark, the sky. I think my knee was playing up. I was thinking, oh, I hope that is it. And it's like, oh no, forgot about that one. Yeah. There is something about nature that makes you feel lovely and calm, feeds the soul. It's really good. So now we definitely have the first bird hive. We'll do the 2 next time, guys. And here we go. Gates open, but it shouldn't be. Gates usually close because no dogs are allowed. So I let the man close the gate. Whilst I go in. And here we go, guys. Used to be a beautiful wooden hut till the kids burnt it down. Then they raised money to build a new one, and in the meantime of raising the money, they burnt the other one down. I don't know which one went first. I have no idea. So it doesn't have a door on. Oh, correction, it has a door that they must lock at night. So you can film through the little cupboard. I do love bird eyes. I do love birds. And there's the second one. This time of day, I do not expect anyone, but the birds or whoever might be here, squirrels, rabbits, might be getting. So this is it. It's nice and clean. I love the benches to be a little bit more comfortable. And we're going to go for the first window. And it's all quiet. Oh, we have a duck over there. Nothing else. And this is this one. I don't expect them to be that hungry this time of night, so I bought them some sunflower seeds. So we're just going to put them down, but they probably ate quite a lot this time. So I'm reversing the camera. On the way back to the car now, guys. It's been quite a long walk. Not too much wildlife, but it's great for the soul walking in wildlife. It's lovely. I was going to stay for the bats to be out, but I might be waiting a long time. So it's a little walk home. This is the new route. This is a little bit quicker. This will be about 10 minutes to the car, and then I'll be there. So I hope you enjoyed it, guys. I'll catch you next time on Sims Go Walkabout. Bye. So guys, that's it for today, and I'll catch you next time. Hopefully the other half of Sims Go Walkabout will be with me. So it's been a pleasure. Catch you soon. Over and out. Sims Go Walkabout. Bing.